Okay, binomial expansion, the easiest form, because you haven't got anything horrible in here to worry about. You've got a power, you've just got 1 plus x, so you go straight to the formula book, and this is given to you, and you write it down on your bit of paper in your answer booklet. Okay, so write it out. We have got Rn is 6, we know n is 6. Why don't you plug the numbers in? Okay, so the first term, we only need to do the first, well, up to the x cubed term. So the first 4 terms. So 1 plus x to the power of 6, I'm not doing all of it, so I'll just put the squiggly ones. 1 plus n is 6. So I'm going to put 6 in there. N is 6, so that's 6. 6 digo 1 is 5, times 5, over, remember this means 1 times 2. 1 times 2. The x term is just straightforward, it's x squared. And the next one, 6 times the 5 times 4 over 1 times 2 times 3. You can write these in how you like. Okay, you can put brackets, you can put dots, you can put time signs. Right, I don't need to do any more terms. 1 plus 6x. Right, I could put this in my calculator. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 15, so I get 15x squared. 6 times 2, sorry, 2 times 3 is 6, that cancels with that 6. 5 times 4 is 20, 20x cubed. That's why it's only worth 2 marks. You could have done those on the calculator, but shouldn't need to. The next bit, you use an appropriate value to find an approximation for 1.1 to the power of 6. So using what you've just done, 1.1 to the power of 6, you cannot just stick that in your calculator. You're supposed to use what you've just done. So if you want to make this 1.1, that means you need to make this thing, the whole, the same as 1.1. So you need your 1 plus x to be the 1.1 bit. You might just spot that because you've got some logic, okay? But you need your x to be 0.1. So that means what you're going to do to find this approximation, in your expansion you're going to swap wherever you see x, you're going to put in 0.1. 15 times 0.1 squared plus 20 times 0.1 cubed. Okay, go find your calculator, stick it in, and you get 1.77. You might get a few more decimal places. You just need to put down the first 2 in that to be accurate enough. Okay.